Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see three more script type. So one is key script, condition script and data change script. Fine. So in the Windows script we have right click and we have written over there, correct? We will be writing whatever script need to perform in the runtime we will be writing. And in the second part we have written the application script that is common for all the Windows, right? So what is this key script? Let's see what is this key script. You can see here. Just click on that. It will take you to the key script window. Yeah. So key is, we have already seen in some of the wizard components, like in the button and all. We are having like alternate option to turn on the button, like pressing the key. Correct? I hope you have remembered that. Like that, this is a key option. So for example, choose any key. Now I'm just choosing 1, or you can choose anything. See, options are here. You can choose anything. I'm just clicking 1 and you can have the control or shift combinations also, right? So whenever I'm pressing 1, what should happen? That I'm going to write. Fine. So I'm going to write SW1 is equal to 1. This is my script. Fine. So whenever I'm pressing 1, this fellow should be 1. So just validate. Go for OK. Go for runtime. Now check. My cursor is here. I'm just pressing 1. Can you see it is changing? Right. Fine. See it again. I'm keeping a cursor here. Just press 1. I'm pressing 1 in the keypad, so it is changing, right? So for to turn off also you can have one more switch. That's your wish. So like that you can give key equivalent to the switches. So for example, in the application script I'm writing if switch 1 equal to 1, then L1 equal to 1 semicolon end if semicolon, right? Go for validate, go for OK, right? So in the key equivalent I'm going to have one more option to turn off the switch. Okay, go for new and choose any key. I'm just clicking 2. So here I'm turning off the switch. So 1 for on, 2 for turn off, right? Go for validate, go for OK, go for runtime. Now see, cursor is here. I'm pressing 1 to turn on and 2 to turn off. Okay, so it is off, but it is not off because I have not written the script for that. So better will see that. Better will write that also and come. And make a else condition here. Else, this fellow, no, L1 equal to 0. That's it. We have written else conditions also. Go for runtime. 1 to turn on. 2 to turn off. That's it, right? So this is key equivalent. Got it? So how about this condition? We'll see. I'm deleting this. Delete this also. And in the application script also we have written, right? Cut this fellow also. Okay? Fine. Now next one is data change script. No, sorry. This one, condition script. Click on that. So it is a condition it is asking. Okay. So here you need to choose the tag. Just choose your tag. Okay. When this is going to true. Can you get the point? See. Condition is the tag name and the condition type is when SW1 is going true. What you want? You need to type that. You are typing L1 equal to 1. That's it. Validate. And save, or you can also type slider is equal to 100, like that also you can type. Okay, validate, go for OK, go for runtime. So whenever you are making this to true, this is on and this is 100. Got it? Right? If you turn off, nothing will happen because we have not written the script for this. Okay. So this is condition script. Condition script. Can you see? So we'll write one more condition. SW1 when it is going false. On false, you are writing L1 equal to 0, slider equal to 75. You just type like this. Instead of 0, you just type 75. Validate, click or OK. A condition script with this condition already exists. Enter the different condition or merge the script with the existing one. What it is telling? There is no need to write SW1 again. What you can do instead of this, just copy this. Click OK, or you just cancel this. Alright, go here. It is also having multiple windows. See, on true this should happen. On false what should happen? You can type. So I'm just typing while false. While false means once it is going on after that. Just type 1 here. Just go for validate. Go for OK. Go for runtime. So you are writing the script for, this one. Script for this particular input that should be in only one place. There is no need to create multiple. So it is 100 while it is off it is 75. See? But I hope you have checked whenever we are going for the runtime for the first time, that time itself this fellow is 75. This should not be like this, no? Whenever I am going online, after that if I go for this should be 75. Initially it should be 0 only. So for that we'll check on false. Slider is equal to 0. Let's try like this. Go for online. Still it is 75. Yeah. I think it is doing both. Can you get? It is doing both. See? 75 and also it is showing 0 also. See? That blinking is happening, no, because of that only. So in the application, on startup, slider is equal to 0. I'll type like this. Validate. OK. Go for runtime. Yeah. So it is taking the initial conditions also. So better you can give slider is equal to 0. We'll change it. Let's see. Okay. We'll make this to 0. On false, I'll just give to 75. We'll see. We'll exchange. I'm just checking. It is 0 now. Whenever you are going on, it is 1. If you go off, it will again back to 0. It is not maintaining 75. Okay. So one thing you need to give is whether it should be while false or on false. Any one thing you can make use of it. On false, I'm just giving. On true, 100. Fine. While false, I'm just giving 0. It is happening every 1 millisecond it will be checking. On false, I'm just giving 75. It is not maintaining. So whether you need to give only while false or on false. Just delete this. Validate. Go for OK. Right? So whether on or while, anything you need to use, any one you need to use. Fine. So for true one condition and while false one more condition. So let me explore more about this. So now instead of on true, if I give this on while true, what will happen? Let's see. So this while is having this time span. See, on is not having anything and on false is not having anything, but while is having a time delay. That is the difference between these two. Let's check out this. Yeah. So this is while false. That's it. For every millisecond it will be checking and it is maintaining 100. Okay. Right. So this is like only one condition, that while this on, these two on, no, this is for only once, but while false and while true is for the continuous looping. It will be continuously checking what should happen. Fine, guys. So that's it. You can write like this also. While true, slider is equal to slider, plus 1. Let's see this. It is gradually increasing, no? I'll put the same thing in on true and you check what will happen. This is fine, right? The same concept. While true, no? While true, take the while true. Okay? I'm copying this and put this in on true, so that you can see the difference. It will be happening only once. It will not happen continuously. Let's see that. Can you see? It is on only, but it is on only because every time it will be increasing. But while true, it will be continuously happening. That is the difference between both. I hope you have understood now. Fine, guys? Yeah. So just delete this. And now come to the last script. It is data change script. What exactly it is going to do? Let's see. Go for this. Take the data. Whenever the data is changing, this will be happening. That's it. Validate. Go for OK. Go for runtime. Whenever you are changing this, whatever you have written in that will happen. If you turn off, nothing will happen. You need to have some more condition to turn off this. Okay. So go for development, come for the runtime again. You can. Whenever the data is changing, it is happening. Fine. So this is data change. Whatever you have written in the statement will be happening as the action. Fine, guys. So that's all about the script. Just practice this in the software. I'll meet you in the next session with the recipe concept, which is one of the application of SCADA. Fine. I'll meet you in the next session, guys. Bye.